So today's video is about being good or great. You know, is a big difference, or is there? That's the question, is there? Now, let me elaborate on that. Now, I come across people every now and then who want everything to be spot on, great, and that's fine, but they're getting to the point where it's too good, and you may never achieve that greatness. As long as it's good and safe, then that's probably going to be good enough. And I'm going to give you two examples. In fact, I'm going to give you three examples. One is I taught a student about 2 years ago, and every time I pulled over or done something, oh, it's pretty good, that I said, not bad at all. And she looks unhappy. I said, what's up? She says, well, I want it to be great. I want to be really good at everything. So here's a picture here. Now, if you're really close to the curb, there's a risk that you're going to skim the curb, which on the driving test is going to get you a fault. After the driving test, you're going to probably scratch your alloy wheels or maybe get a flat tyre, because if there's a bit of curb sticking out, you're going to slash your tyre. So good enough is probably good enough. So that's probably good enough to be close to the curb. It doesn't have to be really close where it's touching. So good's good. Great, obviously, if you want to get great, you can do, but there's a risk that is that you're not going to get perfection, and there's going to be a risk if it's out of the curb, you're going to hit things. So good's good, isn't it? And another example here, this is another example, is when you're doing maneuvers, and we'll use reverse bay parking as the example today, but it can be processed in any maneuver you want to do. As long as your observations are sound and you're reversing into a space, as long as it's within the white lines, you're going to be fine. And you can see this example here, I'm closer to one side than the other, but I'm within the line, and that's fine, right? But some people want it to be great. They want it to be spot on in the middle, and they're upset to the point where it's distracting them, and you don't want to get to that stage. You want to say, well, I'm in the white line. Yeah, it's not perfect, but what I can do is, after my driving test, I can drive forward and correct it and bring it back a little bit so it's a bit better than what it is. Okay? But for the driving test, as long as within the white lines, it's good enough. And this can be carried forward in any sort of driving you do. As long as it's safe and it's good enough, then you're going to be fine. Okay? So remember, good's good, great's right up there, might not be achieved straight away. And if you like this video, then click on like. And if you want to watch another video, I'll put another video below, something similar. Take care, safe driving.